Let's talk about the latest launched OnePlus smartphone Ace 3V with new texture design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with 1.5K AMOLED display, 6.74 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1240 by 2772 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, 93.5% screen to body ratio. Approximately 450 ppi pixel density, 2150 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel Sony IMX882 OIS 26mm wide angle camera, along with 8 megapixel 16mm ultra wide angle camera. For selfies it has 16 megapixel 26mm front camera, video recording maximum 4K at 30/60 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of ColorOS 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.8 GHz single-core Cortex-A715, plus 2.6 GHz quad-core Cortex-A715, plus 1.9 GHz tri-core Cortex-A510, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 732 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB, 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB of UFS 4.0 onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.7 by 75.2 by 8.47 mm, and it weighs around 200 grams, and the color options: titanium air gray, magic purple, silver colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5500 mAh battery, with 100-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS L1 plus L5, Type-C headphone jack, with stereo dual speakers, USB Type-C charging port, infrared remote control, Tiangong cooling system, IP65 dustproof and waterproof, and with NFC. So, now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The OnePlus Ace 3V has been priced for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 1,999 Chinese yuan, and around $277 and 77,999 Pakistani rupees, and 22,999 Indian rupees, while the 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 2,399 Chinese yuan, and around $318 and 88,999 Pakistani rupees, and 26,999 Indian rupees. While the 16 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 2,599 Chinese yuan, and around $360 and 100,999 Pakistani rupees, and 29,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this OnePlus Ace 3V smartphone? Let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.